Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Scooter and I want to show you something amazing. My little guy Scooter has a ton of energy, and I think that is my favorite thing about this cat tree is it has activities for him so he's not scratching up my furniture. This thing is fantastic. It was very easy to put together. It came with very good instructions. I didn't have to take anything back apart to put it all back together. It's very sturdy and it has a little cat box cave. I love that everything that you need to take care of your cat is right there. And look at Scooter. He loves it. This little top flower is very soft and cushiony, and it can also withstand his claws. He loves it up there, and this is a scratching post that he loves. We put him up there, and he will do this for a long time. It also has a little cubby that our other cat loves to lay in. She gets in there and she sits and lays there all day. She's just as happy as could be. So this cat tree is phenomenal. It's got so many things for them to do, so many cubbies, and so many activities. It is really just a wonderful thing for my kitties. It is very durable. Like I said, Scooter has a lot of energy, and he has scratched this thing up and it still looks brand new. So this cat tree makes Scooter a very happy boy, and it tires him out with all the energy that he has. So I really like it too. But that's just my point of view.